Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into Google hacking, also known as Google Dorking, a legitimate technique used by hackers. Essentially, this involves using Google to uncover unsecured files, pages, or accidentally exposed information. For instance, someone might inadvertently leave their passwords exposed or even have an open webcam accessible via the internet. As hackers, we use specific search techniques with the right keywords and Google search operators to find this type of information. So, let's explore and have some fun. Before we start, please note that all activities demonstrated here are both ethical and legal. We'll focus only on passive reconnaissance and how to access publicly available information. I'll also clearly point out the legal boundaries later in the session. Let's begin with a simple example. Imagine you're searching for a gaming laptop on Google. The search results show multiple options from various websites. But as a hacker, we want to refine our search to get exactly what we need. This is where Google search operators come in. Let's start with the site operator. For instance, if I only want results from Amazon, I'd type site amazon.com gaming laptop. When I hit enter, Google will display results exclusively from amazon.com. Now, you might think, that's cool, but it's not hacking. You're right. Let's step it up. Suppose we're still searching Amazon, but now we want to find pages with the keyword admin in their URLs, potentially leading to login interfaces. We'd use the IMMORTAL operator like this. Site amazon.com IMMORTAL admin. This search pulls up pages with admin in their URL. Why? Because these might lead us to hidden login pages or potential vulnerabilities. Other useful operators include in text, searches for keywords within the page content. In title, looks for keywords in page titles, great for finding login pages. One of the coolest operators is file type. It allows us to search for specific file types hosted on a site. For example, site amazon.com file type PDF. This will display all publicly available PDFs on Amazon. Now, imagine if a hacker finds a file containing sensitive information, like employee names or links to their social media profiles. That's where things get dangerous. Misusing this kind of information is illegal and unethical, crossing the boundaries of legal exploration. Speaking of boundaries, let's emphasize this again. While exploring publicly available information is legal, exploiting it is not. Always stay ethical. Moving on, Google Dorking can also help locate information on individuals. For instance, if you know someone's full name, you can search for public documents related to them by combining search operators like John Doe, file type, PDF, or file type XLS. This search will show all PDFs or Excel sheets with that name. Before wrapping up, let me introduce you to the Google hacking database. Simply search for it on Google and click the first result. This database contains pre-built Google search strings that expose potential vulnerabilities. For example, searching for webcam in the database provides queries to locate open webcams on the internet. No passwords required. It's fascinating, but also a bit scary to see how much is left unprotected. That's it for today's video. Explore these tools ethically, and if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.